Yuanda high-quality new soft seal gate valve. Gathering the wisdom and meticulous design of a 100-member RD team from Yuanda, perfectly crafted, next-generation ductile iron, soft seal gate valve from Yuanda. Now shining on the market. Compared with similar products, this series of products has the following advantages. Standard design, optimize creativity, utilizing advanced flow field simulation, finite element analysis software, such as stress calculation, make the structural dimensions of the product. All material properties meet or exceed national standards, has first-class mechanical properties. The valve body and cover are made of high-quality ductile iron, spray epoxy, resin powder on the surface, corrosion, resistant and durable, no pollution to the environment. There is no groove at the bottom of the valve body cavity, eliminate the accumulation of debris, smooth and unobstructed fluid flow. The upper part of the valve cover is equipped with a dust ring, can prevent dust and other debris from entering, ensure the product has flexible wall starting capability. Tighten the valve stem nut and skeleton with threaded connections, screw anti-stripping. The overall gate is covered with rubber on the outside, ensure the overall encapsulation layer prevent the gate from falling off. The raft rod nut is made of bronze material, lead-free, non-toxic, corrosion-resistant, no pollution to the medium. The raft pole is made of stainless steel material, equipped with anti-slip steps, can replace O-ring under pressure. 3 rubber O-rings are used to the valve stem. Long sealing life, reliable sealing, easy and flexible operation. The contact surface between the hand wheel and the valve cover is equipped with a copper washer, can reduce friction, reduce arm torque. The sign is made of stainless steel material, engraved font on steel plate, higher grade, more beautiful. A quick guide gate is installed between the gate and the valve body guide groove, low friction when starting the wall, more flexible use. The valve is equipped with a lifting ring, easy to lift, safer to use. Green technology, intelligent manufacturing. Adopting the only Japanese company in the country, New Oriental, net pressure line, and Japanese Gwangyang production line, casting blanks. The molten iron adopts the wire spheroidization process, CNC, machining machine, high yield rate, small size error. Product components, carefully selected, green and environmentally friendly. Health and safety. Advanced experimental equipment, scientific experimental method, strict production management, a sound quality system, ensure reliable performance of each product. B, even quality, long lifespan. High quality, safe and reliable. Product, full mirror, fully open with low flow resistance, strong circulation performance, small arm lifting torque. Bidirectional sealing design, sensitive darkness. 2 structural forms can be installed horizontally and vertically, meet the needs of different working conditions. Soft gate valve is absolutely safe. The engineering prototype has undergone 3,000 wall lifting cycles without any abnormalities. 3x over torque wall lifting, no damage to the parts. Sealed 30 torque without leakage. Shell weighing 64 grams with no abnormalities. Qualified assessment of fire protection products by the Ministry of Public Security. Obtain 3C certificate. Complete product range. Customizable design according to user requirements. The product has been applied to Evergrande Real Estate, Hengli Petrochemical, Shuzhou Fengpei Source, Water Project, Hohat Gongpai Water, Chin, a hydropower construction group, Yan'an Yellow River Drinking Water Project, Water Plant, Nanjing Jiangxing Sewage Treatment Plant, and other engineering projects. New generation Yuanda, soft seal gate valve. The choice of wisdom. Safe choice. Choose Yuanda. Choose safety. Yuanda Valve Group.